If you use another toothpaste, you're making a mistake. This is the only toothpaste I will ever use. It is everything you could ever want and more.
How to live my life? Does it even need to be light? If it feels is alright, it's a hypocritical kind of life. I don't think you like me enough. Give my socials a like. How do you mean I know? Wasn't it a read for a friend or a club? Do you go and say I'm my look at time? Have you got a quote that you like? Boy, I hope this is right.
Hello you guys, what is up? It's me, Sarah Marie, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video obviously was just a fun little morning routine, but I also really wanted it to be sort of like a morning routine for my mental health. I have struggled with anxiety since I was literally 5 years old. It's something I don't really talk about that much because I don't want it to like ruin my life, you know, because it sort of already does. It's fine. I do things on an everyday basis now that I'm older that really help me to cope with my anxiety and to sort of be able to move past it and have a normal life and forget that it exists, which can be hard, honey. I do a lot of things in this video which really help me to just feel good, think well, love my life, eat salads and we work out, but like, why would we do that for our bodies and not our brains? You know, our brains are just as important and we use them sometimes more than our bodies. So the rest of this video is going to be me just showing you a few things that make me happy. I'm gonna bring you to my favorite restaurant, order one of my favorite meals, and I'm also gonna jam out in the car because that's one of my favorite things to do ever.